everyone, welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jujani and today I'm going to compare curling irons. Now there are many different sizes when it comes to curling irons, and depending on the thickness you can get thick or loose curls. Sometimes it's hard to tell how big the curls are going to be just by looking at the curling irons. So today we have gathered 4 different curling irons to compare the curls. That way you get a better idea of what you need to achieve the desired curls. We have done the work for you, so sit back and relax, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and join us every Friday. Alright, let's go. Since curling irons use heat to form curls, your hair can easily get damaged. So use hair oils like olive oil and coconut oil and hair mask for a deeper treatment to deliver moisture and to prevent further damage. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it really helpful when you're purchasing your new curling irons. Personally, I like the 28mm because I like tighter curls. Comment down below if you curl your hair every day, and if you have a favorite hair product you like to use, let us know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!